Grabovoi concentration exercises, 14th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you should concentrate on the movement of the objects around you. Observe these objects and ask yourself, why does this cloud move? What causes it to rain? Why can birds fly? Why do all these things happen? You should try to find the information content of all these events. If you concentrate in this manner and simultaneously keep your desired result in your consciousness, you will ensure that it occurs. At the same time, you will improve your ability to control real events. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 5, 8, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6. Exercise number 3, 14th day of the month. On this day, you should see your hands as hands that reflect the light of life. You should see your fingers as fingers that reflect the light of your hands. On this day, you should view your body as one which shines in the bright light of the Creator, shines with the bright light of love, goodness, and health for all beings, and shines with the bright light of my teaching on life eternal and everlasting. On this day, you can contemplate my teaching on eternal life and address me in your thoughts. You can, of course, turn to me in your thoughts on any other day and in any other condition. You are always welcome to ask me for what you need for your eternal life and your creative efforts on behalf of all people. Turn to me, and I will offer you my help. You can, however, also turn to yourself, and you will learn on your own what it is that you have received from me. You can experience this knowledge, use it, and show it to others. On this day, you can be in harmony with me, just as you can harmonize with me on any other previous day and any other future day, if you wish. When time is no longer measured in the dimensions of time and space, you can always turn to me and always come to me for help, for a conversation, for an event you would like to see happen, or for anything else you would like me to be involved in. You are free as you always were. Consider this to be your law. Spread this law around you, and you will receive eternal life wherever I am. You will receive eternal life wherever you are and wherever everyone else is. You will receive eternal life where everyone is, and that will be forever. This principle will always be credible and true for everyone, for it already is credible and true for everyone. And you are the one who is in eternity, for you are already eternity itself.